Speak English with Rhea.
Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome to Rhea's English Learning Podcast. My name is Rhea, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Today is a special episode. We're going to learn English vocabulary and phrases about Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is on February 14th every year. It's a day when people celebrate love and friendship. People give cards, flowers, and chocolates to the people they love. In this episode, you'll learn useful words and expressions about Valentine's Day, and of course, we'll practice together with shadowing. Are you ready? Let's begin. Expression number 1, fall in love. Fall in love means to start loving someone romantically. Listen to this example. I fell in love with her last summer. Let me say that again, slowly. I fell in love with her last summer. Here's another example. They fell in love at first sight. At first sight means immediately when you first see someone. Now, let's practice together. Listen first, then repeat after me. Fall in love. Fall in love. I fall in love. You fall in love. They fall in love. Now the full sentence. I fell in love with her last summer. One more time. I fell in love with her last summer. Excellent. You're doing great. Expression number 2, ask someone out. Ask someone out means to invite someone on a romantic date. Example, he wants to ask her out for dinner. Slowly. He wants to ask her out for dinner. Another example, I'm nervous to ask him out. Ready to practice? Repeat after me. Ask someone out. Ask someone out. Ask her out. Ask him out. I want to ask her out. Full sentence. He wants to ask her out for dinner. Again, he wants to ask her out for dinner. Wonderful. Vocabulary number 3, bouquet of flowers. A bouquet is a beautiful arrangement of flowers. On Valentine's Day, many people give a bouquet of roses. Example, he bought a bouquet of red roses for his girlfriend. Slowly, he bought a bouquet of red roses for his girlfriend. Another example, this bouquet is beautiful. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Bouquet. Bouquet of flowers. A bouquet of roses. A beautiful bouquet. Full sentence, he bought a bouquet of red roses. Once more, he bought a bouquet of red roses. Perfect. Expression number 4, go on a date. Go on a date means to spend time with someone you like romantically. Maybe you go to a restaurant, watch a movie, or take a walk together. Example, we're going on a date this Saturday. Slowly. We're going on a date this Saturday. Another example. Would you like to go on a date with me? Practice time. Repeat after me. Go on a date. Go on a date. I go on a date. We go on a date. Let's go on a date. Full sentence. We're going on a date this Saturday. Again, we're going on a date this Saturday. Great job. Expression number 5, have a crush on someone. Have a crush on someone means you like someone romantically, but maybe you're too shy to tell them. Example, I have a crush on my classmate. Slowly, I have a crush on my classmate. Another example, she has a crush on him, but he doesn't know. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Have a crush. Have a crush on someone. I have a crush. She has a crush. I have a crush on you. Full sentence, I have a crush on my classmate. One more time. I have a crush on my classmate. Excellent work. Phrase number 6, be my Valentine. Be my Valentine is a special phrase. It means, will you be my special person on Valentine's Day? People write this on Valentine's cards. Example, will you be my Valentine? Slowly, will you be my Valentine? You can also say, be my Valentine, please. Final practice. Repeat after me. Be my Valentine. Be my Valentine. Will you be my Valentine? Please be my Valentine. Full sentence, will you be my Valentine? Again, will you be my Valentine? Fantastic. Before we review, let me teach you 3 quick Valentine's Day words. Just listen and repeat. Chocolate. Chocolate. Card. Card. Romantic. Romantic. Great. Wonderful. Let's review what we learned today. Listen carefully. Today we learned 6 important Valentine's Day expressions. Number 1, fall in love. Number 2, ask someone out. Number 3, bouquet of flowers. Number 4, go on a date. Number 5, have a crush on someone. Number 6, be my Valentine. Now, let's say them all together one more time. Repeat after me. Fall in love. Ask someone out. Bouquet of flowers. Go on a date. Have a crush on someone. Be my Valentine. You did an amazing job today. Now you know how to talk about Valentine's Day in English. Maybe you can use these phrases this Valentine's Day. Ask someone out, give them a bouquet of flowers, or say, "Be my Valentine." Remember, Valentine's Day is not only for romantic love. You can also celebrate friendship and family love. It's a day to show people you care about them. Thank you so much for listening. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day. I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.